So remember that thing about the remainder I was talking about? Like if you said 7 into 15, and 7 goes into 15 twice, and you subtract the 14 off, and you get 1 as the remainder. Well, really what you can do is that is 2R1, so says my 3rd grade math teacher, which doesn't make any sense to me. R1, right? Okay, whatever that means. But really what it means is 2 plus 1/7. Because you're taking 1 and dividing it by 7 into 7 pieces. So it's 2 1/7 is what it is. And so yeah, going back to that last problem we had. Let's say, for instance, I don't know what the numbers would be, but let's say instead of 1, we wind up with a 6 there. So I take my x minus 1 and put it underneath of it like I did 1/7, and that's what you do with the remainder basically. You make a fraction out of it at the end. So if you look at number 4 and look at the answer, you see how it's got. That's what's going to happen in this question. So. Right. Whatever's out here, that's the divisor, I guess you call it. I used to know all those fancy vocabulary terms, didn't you? So I guess it's too confusing now. Well, let's go ahead and keep on doing what we've been doing. We're going to compare 3m to 9m squared. And to get 3m into a 9, you have to multiply by 3. And m to m squared is m. So you multiply by 3m, right? So 3m times 3m is 9m squared. 3m times -1 is a negative 3m. Well, this is kind of nice. So I'm subtracting here. It changes all the signs. Cancels everything out. Now don't freak out. Yeah, 9 cancels with a 9. The 3 cancels with 3. But hey, you still got a -5 out here. Right? So just bring it down. You got a -5 sitting there. Now can you turn 3m into a -5 with multiplication? You got an m here. The only way you can get rid of an m is I don't know how you get rid of an m. You don't. It's like a little puppy dog. I mean, to get rid of a little puppy dog, you'd have to do bad things to it. You don't want to do bad things to puppies. You're horrible people. Don't be thinking of doing mean things to puppies. You can't do anything. That's it. That's it. So what they're going to ask you to do, though, is write your answer. If there's a radical, you write it out, and you take out this part you're saying at the outside. I think that's what you said a second ago. You take that and the bottom, just like you'd put 1/7 as a remainder. You'd say 3m plus -5 over 3m minus 1. And technically, listen, if you took this times this, you get what's underneath the box there. But you can do like LeVar Burton. Just take my word for it. He says don't take your word for it, but sometimes you just got to take someone else's word for it.